Wally here again because Rippy, we're gonna rob Mordecai because now he got some money. Because I really need some money so I can buy me a drink. Alright, let's get in. Alright, Rippy, let's look around and see what you have. He got a picture of Marvin. Rippy, put that down. We're looking for his money. Oh, haha, he have a wallet. Yeah. Okay, Vincent, I got everything I need. Alright, let's go. I got his rock.